Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Canva design you want to edit. Once your design loads on the screen, you'll be ready to start rotating your text elements. Now let's begin with the manual rotation method. Click on the text box you want to rotate. This will select the text and display several handles around it that allow you to make adjustments. Next, move your pointer to the circular rotation handle located below the selected text box. You'll notice this handle is distinct from the corner handles as it's specifically designed for rotation purposes. Click and hold this rotation handle, then drag it left or right depending on which direction you want your text to face. As you drag, you'll see the text rotating in real time, which gives you a visual preview of how it will look. Once the text reaches the angle you want, release the mouse button to lock it in place. This manual method is perfect when you're going for a more creative, free-form look and don't need an exact angle. However, if you need precise control over your text rotation, Canva offers a more exact method. Click the selected text box again if it's no longer selected to ensure you're working with the right element. Then look at the toolbar above the canvas and click on Position. This will open the Position panel, which gives you access to precise positioning and rotation controls. In this panel, locate the Rotate field. This is where you can enter specific degree values for your rotation. For example, type 90 into the Rotate field to rotate the text exactly 90 degrees clockwise. This precise method is especially useful when you need your text to align perfectly with other design elements or when creating professional layouts that require exact angles. After entering your desired rotation value, press Enter to apply the rotation. Your text will instantly rotate to the exact degree you specified, and that's it. You now know both the manual and precise methods for rotating text in Canva, giving you complete control over your text positioning. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.